Hi guys, welcome to the Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. Today we are going to be making the Pride flag for Pride. So we are going to be making this flag. This is the newest Pride flag created in 2018. It is called the Progress flag. If you want to look it up and learn some more, you definitely can. But we have the rainbow colors here that are included, and then we have the black stripe to represent the Black community, the brown stripe to represent marginalized people of color, and we also have the transgender flag included in here. So I love this flag. I think it is super inclusive, and yeah, if you guys want to draw this with me, just keep on watching. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow for more. We post new videos every week. Wonderful, so we're just going to start first with making that curved edge that you see. And then we're gonna make a very shallow rainbow at the top, so slightly curved line. And then you can go pretty straight at the bottom, and then we're gonna curve in just a bit, and then create another really shallow rainbow. And then we're gonna hook around and create a bit of a swivel. So we're gonna hook around there to create the back of the flag so it looks like it's waving in the wind. And then we're gonna create that curved line for the tail end of the flag. Then we can create the top of the tail end, and then the very end of the flag is just a slightly curved line like this. Then to create that dimension, you can create a little line from the bottom of the flag into that curve. So now we're going to create the different sections for our Pride flag. So here we're creating that V-shape design. So we're just going to draw 6 different V's in there. So you want to make sure you have 6 different sections for all of the colors. And then I did the lines going straight across. So you just want to make sure that one of your lines is lined up with the very center tip of that V. And you want to make sure that you are creating 5 lines in each section going straight across to create the 6 different colors in the Pride flag. Wonderful. So once you've done that, we can create the pole. So I just did a straight line and then 2 little curved lines to create the rope that would be holding onto the flag. You can design your pole however you would like. I just did a really basic pole, a straight line going down. Then you can grab a red marker, and we're going to start with the red part of the Pride flag. So we're going to draw the red, which is the top stripe there. And then what I did is I created 3 little hearts of every color in my background. So I'm going to start with the red hearts, and I just drew 3 little hearts. And then I repeated the same thing with all of the colors. So now we're going to take an orange, and you're going to do the same thing with your orange. We're going to fill in that second stripe, and then we're going to do 3 hearts. And now with our yellow, we're going to fill in the yellow there. And if you like the markers we're using, we always link them down below so you can go check them out. And I'm going to do 3 yellow hearts. Perfect. And then green is next. And we're going to do 3 green hearts. And then blue. So I tried not to pick too dark of a blue. I wanted kind of like a nice neutral colored blue like that. Perfect. Any blue will work though. And then I did purple. So I chose kind of a darker purple because in the Pride flag it is a bit of a darker purple. So I chose more of like a violet purple. And then for the shadow in my background, so the shadow of the flag that you see there, so where it's curving around, I chose like a really, really dark purple. So you can try to find a really dark purple, or even a dark blue will work really well to create that shadowed effect. Perfect. Then we're going to color in the black stripe. So this one is to represent the Black community. And I did 3 little hearts. Perfect. And then the brown stripe to represent people of color. Beautiful. And then we're going to move on to the transgender colors. So that is a baby blue, or kind of like a teal baby blue color. And then we're gonna do pink. So I chose a baby pink. It's quite a light pink, the color in the transgender flag. So I chose a nice light pink. And then that last section is white. So for the white hearts, I just took a black pen and I just drew the outline of a heart. So the heart on the inside is white. Beautiful. And then once you've done that, you've drawn your flag. I hope you loved making this with me. It looks so beautiful. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more. And happy Pride Month.